What's good everyone? Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching my video tutorials in YouTube. Here in subscription section we continue to work on that material, but we're going deeper. Just a quick reminder what we've been doing in the video tutorial in YouTube. So that was the combo. What I want to do in this video is to expand the movement and to make it a little bit more interesting, more unpredictable, and maybe to add some element of surprise into this combination. Let me demonstrate you slowly the whole new combination. The very first thing that I'm changing in this combo is the way how we enter this combination. I made it from that position straight to the knee. The reason why I did this is because that gives us opportunity to connect this combo with cyclical footworks. Let's say you're going to the right side with the 6th step. Once you're reaching this position, you're ready to go directly to this combo. Let's do it one more time. That's your position from here. Forward, straight leg, directly to the knee, kicking out. Nothing changing here. So from that one, we go to the knee sweep without hands, reaching 0 position. And from here, we're ready to change the side through the jump, hand change, dead leg sweep, and to the straight leg. Now the interesting part starts. We want to change side to the left, and we're gonna do it through the move on the knee and right leg to the side. Check. What is really important in this move is that I'm trying to keep my shoulders opposite side from the leg movement, and that gives that effect of turn. So pay attention on this moment. Once I'm here, I'm changing my hands and the right leg is ready to go to the sweep. Both legs meeting together and I'm doing the sweep under my hips on my 2 legs. Reaching the knee position, going back to 0.